Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to discuss ISSO Olympiad for class 10, that is International Social Studies Olympiad. So let's start. Today we are going to start with civics, power sharing and federalism. So let's start. First question. In Belgium, 59% people speak dash language. Option A, French. Option B, German. Option C, Dutch. And option D, English. Yes, the correct answer of this question will be option C. That is Dutch language. Now, next question. Where is the capital of Belgium? Option A, Brussels. Option B, Glasgow. Option C, Amsterdam. And option D, Bern. The correct answer of this question will be option A. That is Brussels. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Next question. In Sri Lanka, most of the Sinhala speaking people are dash. Option A, Hindus. Option B, Christians. Option C, Muslims. And option D, none of these. Correct answer will be option D, that is none of these. Because in Sri Lanka, most of the Sinhala speaking people are Buddhist. Next question. Christians in Sri Lanka are mostly dash. Option A, Tamil. Option B, Sinhala. Option C, both of these. And option D, none of these. Right answer will be option C, both of these. That is, there are about 7% Christian in Sri Lanka who are both Tamil and Sinhalese. Next question, number 5. Which among the following groups is in majority in Sri Lanka? A, Tamil speakers. Option B, Sinhala speakers. C, Hindi speakers. And D, English speakers. That is Sinhala speakers. Sinhalas were in majority in Sri Lanka. Next question. In Dash, an act was passed to recognize Sinhala as the only official language of Sri Lanka. Option A, 1950, B, 1953, C, 1956 and D, 1960. Right answer will be option C, that is 1956. Next question. A new constitution in Sri Lanka stipulated that the state shall protect and foster dash. A, Tamil, B, Hinduism, C, Christianity and D, Buddhism. Yes, Buddhism will be the correct answer. Next question. The Sri Lankan Tamil launched parties and struggled for the recognition of dash as an official language. Option A, Sinhala. B, Hindi. C, English. And D, none of these. Right answer will be option D. The Sri Lankan Tamil struggled for Tamil as an official language. Next question. Dash demanded for more autonomy to provinces populated by them. Option A, Muslim. B, Sri Lankan Tamils. C, Sinhalese. And D, Christians. What will be the correct answer of this question? Yes, that will be Sri Lankan Tamils. Option B. Next question. The distrust between the two communities in Sri Lanka turned into a dash. Option A, Cold War, B, Sri Lankan War, C, Civil War, and D, Tamil War. Yes, right answer will be Civil War. Next question. A violent conflict between opposing groups within a country is called a dash. Civil War, option B, Cold War, option C, Cultural War, and option D, Proxy War. A is the correct answer, that is Civil War. Next, the Constitution of Belgium prescribes that the number of dash and dash speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. Option A, English French, B, German Dutch, C, Dutch French, and D, French English. Yes, correct answer will be option C, that is Dutch and French. Next question. You have to select the incorrect statement about Belgium. Okay, so 4 statements are given over here. First is, in Belgium, no single community can make decisions unilaterally. Option B, many powers of central government have been given to state government. Option C, the state governments are subordinate to the central government. And option D, Brussels has a separate government. Which is the incorrect statement here? Yes, option C is the incorrect statement because the state government are not subordinate to the central government in Belgium. Both are having equal powers in Belgium. Next question you are having here is that apart from central and state government, Belgium has a third kind of government which is dash. Option A, social government. Option B, welfare government. Option C, regional government. And option D, community government. Which will be the correct answer of this question? Yes, community government is the correct answer of this question. Next, the community government in Belgium has a power regarding dash related issues. Option A, cultural, option B, educational, option C, language, and option D, all of these. Correct answer will be all of these. Cultural, educational, and language, all. Okay. Now next question. The power sharing in Belgium has helped to avoid a possible division of the country on dash lines. Option A, linguistic, option B, religious, option C, cultural, and option D, all of these. Yes, the correct answer will be linguistic. Next question. Where is the headquarters of European Union? Number A, that is option A, Amsterdam, option B, Berlin, option C, Paris, and option D, none of these. That is none of these because headquarters of European Union is in Brussels, which is the capital of Belgium. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Next question. Christian Democratic Union and Social Democratic Party are two political parties of which of the following countries? Option A, France, option B, Belgium, option C, Sri Lanka, and option D, none of these. Yes, option D is the correct answer because Christian Democratic Union and Social Democratic Party, it belongs to Germany. Next question. Power can be shared among dash. Option A, different organs of government. Option B, government of different levels. Option C, different social groups. And option D, all of these. What will be the correct answer? All of these. Okay. Because in modern democracies, power sharing arrangements can take many forms. Power can be shared among different organs of the government at different levels and among different social groups. So, coming to next question. How many languages are recognized as scheduled languages in India? Option A, 6, option B, 18, Option C 20 and option D none of these. Yes, option D is the correct answer of this question, none of these, because there are 22 languages recognized as scheduled languages by the Indian Constitution. Now coming to Achievers section, that is HOTS questions. In the given map of Sri Lanka, identify the 4 communities that live in the regions 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you can see the 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct one. Yes, option A is the correct one, because in 1 which is given in the map, there Sri Lankan Tamils, okay? Sri Lankan Tamils live in that region, and in option 2, that is 2 which is given in Sri Lankan map, here Sinhalese, okay? Sinhalese community live here, whereas in 3 it will be Muslim, and in number 4 it will be Indian Tamil, okay? So next question. Read the given passage and fill in the blank with the correct option. The dash leaders took a different path. They recognized the existence of dash differences and dash diversities. Between 1970 and 1993, they amended their constitution dash times. So here you are getting 4 options. You have to choose the correct one. Yes, option B is the correct one. The dash leaders, the Belgian leaders, took a different path. Belgian leaders recognized the existence of dash different, that is regional differences and cultural diversities. Between 1970 and 1993, they amended their constitution 4 times. Which constitution? Belgian constitution. So option B is the correct one. Next, coming to next question. Question number 23. Read the given statement and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Statement 1 is given, social conflict often leads to violence and political instability. And statement 2, power sharing is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. Okay. So option A, both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. And option C, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. And option D, both statement 1 and 2 are false. So you have to choose the correct one. Yes, option B is the correct one. Option B. That is, both the statement 1 and 2 are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Okay. Coming to next question. Which among the following are the key features of federalism? Number 1, there are 2 or more levels of government. Number 2, different tiers of government govern the same citizens, but each tier has its own jurisdiction. Number 3, the jurisdiction of respective levels of government are not specified in the constitution. And next is, the fundamental provision of constitution cannot be unilaterally changed by one level of government. So 4 options are here, A, B, C and D. You have to choose the correct one. Okay. That will be option B. Okay. That is 1, 2 and 4 is the correct. That is the key features of federalism. But 3 is not the key feature, because here it's written that the jurisdiction of different levels of government are not specified. The correct will be that it is already specified in the Indian Constitution. Okay. Next question. You have to match the column and choose the correct option. Column 1, column 2 is given. In column 1, number 1, coming together. In column 2, USA, Switzerland. In column 1, holding together. Number 2. And in column 2, number 2, Belgium, Spain. Then number 3, Union of State. And in column 2, number 3, political alliance. And column 1, coalition government. Whereas in column 2, India. So you have to choose here. 4 options are given, A, B, C and D. Which one will be the correct one? Yes, it will be option A. First one you can see A, that is coming together. It will be US and Switzerland. And number 2, that is B, holding together. It will be Belgium, Spain, correct. Then option C, Union of States. It will be India. And D, that is coalition government. It will be number 3, that is political alliance. Okay. So today we have discussed the civics question answer. So next day we are going to discuss few more question answers. So today that's all for this video. Thank you students for watching the video. Thank you.